Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Jigsaw 28 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Yu Asaka and made by Hanayama. Difficulty level of the Jigsaw 28 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 28 pieces inside the frame. As you can see, the puzzle comes assembled, but what you can do is just remove all parts from the frame, mix them and try to assemble them again. And what you will find here that there are too many edge pieces. If you start assembling the puzzle, it will feel like a regular jigsaw puzzle, nothing really special, but it is a puzzle designed by Yu Asaka. That means that it will have a twist that will make this puzzle a very special one, and you have to understand how to solve it and find the correct solution of the puzzle. So as you can see now, I just put edge pieces to show you how many edge pieces are in this puzzle, since the shape of the puzzle requires you to put 8 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces. You will find that we have already 2, 3 corner pieces, 8 edge pieces, and there are still edge pieces left that I don't know where to put. There is not enough space for them, but you still have to figure out the way how to put all of them inside the frame. Yu Asaka is famous for creating amazing jigsaw puzzles that usually have an interesting twist in them, and at a first glance they may look like a regular jigsaw puzzle that kids are solving at the age of 5 or 6 years, but this one is much more difficult, and believe me, only adults who have a lot of patience can solve such kind of puzzles. So if you like puzzles designed by Yu Asaka and you want to try the Jigsaw 28, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.